मौसम हो रहा है एकदम हम्की डोरी, कांड फाड़ मौसम है जो। चलो आज बात करने वाले हैं हम अबाउट द गाइज हु टेक देमसेल्व्स टू सीरियसली। भाई सीरियसली क्यों रहना है तुम लोगों ने वैसे बंदे को देखा होगा जो एकदम ज़्यादा सीरियसली लेता है खुद को, सिग्मा बनने की कोशिश करता है। व्हाट्स द वर्ड, नॉनचलांट नॉनचलांट बनने की कोशिश करता है, बट he don't realize that people can see his true nature, his true intentions, his true work ethic through that mask easily। आसानी से दिख जाता है भाई हमारा जो इंटेंशन है, वन वे और द अदर, टुडे और टुमारो, पीपल कैन सी इट कम्प्लीटली विजिबल। मैं भी ऐसा ही था पहले एंड काफ़ी मैंने इम्प्रूवमेंट किया। आई ट्राई टू लेट गो, आई ट्राई टू टेक दैट मास्क ऑफ एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुझ में बाकी है, बट आई एम प्राउड एंड आई एम हैप्पी for the improvements that I've made. So this video is for the people who try to act cool, act nonchalant, try to put on that mask, Sigma mask, that it does nothing actually does bother them, but in reality almost everything bothers them. It's like a cope, it's like an insecurity which comes from the trauma, and until and unless you heal the trauma or you go in that journey of healing yourself, you will subconsciously put on that mask forever. So you have to see yourself from a different perspective, from a perspective of a person who is always hovering on your back, behind your back, and just looking at you without judgment. Just see yourself, how you are acting, how you are reacting, how you are thinking. If an individual says something which triggers you, is it that person who is actually triggering you, or is it actually you who is triggering yourself? Because universe is going to do its thing. People are going to act as the way their prerogative intends them to, and it's completely fine, completely okay. But if you are being triggered, if your emotion is being dysregulated so much so that it actually causes you stress, tension, and bad night's sleep, ये सारे के सारी चीज़ें, it just means that you have been hurt too bad. And if you are putting on that mask, that Sigma mask, कि भाई मुझको तो फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता, तुम कुछ भी बोल लो मुझको तो फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता, तुम्हारे ओपिनियंस कुछ हो, मैं तो सिग्मा हूँ। भाई तुम इनसिक्योर हो, तुम हर्ट। इट्स टाइम टू एक्चुअली लुक विद इन योर सेल्फ, इट्स टाइम टू नॉट लाई टू योर सेल्फ, इट्स टाइम टू अनमास्क दैट फेस, that authenticity that God has put on you since the time you were on this planet. ठीक है, you are not meant to live another man's dream, you are not meant to live another man's life. You are here as your own unique self, and it's almost like your responsibility, duty, and at the same time experience and excitement and happiness to be your true self. If you are unique, that absolutely means that you're not going to be 100% same as another person. Obviously ना, तुम एक unique individual हो, and you cannot be exactly same as your twin brother if you have one. उनका माइंडसेट डिफरेंट होगा एज़ कम्पेयर टू योर्स, उनका खाने का अर्जेस डिफरेंट होंगे, उनके दोस्त डिफरेंट होंगे, उनका सर्कल डिफरेंट होगा, the treatment that you guys get from your parents, even that would be different. ठीक है? So every single thing affects you as an individual. So how can you compare yourself to another person? There are पता नहीं कितने बिलियन लोग हैं दुनिया में. Every single individual has their own uniqueness, and it's our duty to find out that uniqueness and embrace our true authentic self and walk on this planet Earth as God has sent us, because He did. God has truly sent us to be in this planet Earth, to be our true authentic self. If you're trying to put on a mask on something truly authentic just because you think that you are lower than other people, just because you think that you are weaker than other people, or just because you think that you are not better than other people in some shape, way, or form, or in the context that society tries to circle you in, doesn't make sense, guys. Just break through this matrix कहते हैं, या फिर कह लो, या फिर break through this social conditioning. It's not easy, but you have to go deep into yourself. You have to heal yourself. You have to actually become healthy, not just because you have six-pack abs, just because you have your body looks athletic, you are athletic, and your body looks fit, doesn't mean you are healthy. Fix your gut, fix your health issues from inside, loosen up, fix your circadian rhythm, eat good food, surround yourself with people who lift you up, who are truly authentic, who love you for who you are. Unconditional love is a real thing. Unconditional love is actually a real thing, and it actually heals you. ठीक है? And that's the reason why when you are it actually feels good ना, जब तुम अपने नानी के यहाँ पे जाते हो, कितना अच्छा लगता है. तुम्हारी नानी, she doesn't expect anything from you. She just expect you to be happy. That's it. और तुमको कैसा लगता है? Like जब तुम अपने नानी के यहाँ पर हो तो कितना अच्छा लगता है, राइट? नानी के हाथ का खाना, नानी डांट रही है फिर भी तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा है, because you know you are around her presence. नानी अपने हाथों से खाना खिला रही है. नानी तुमको पैसे दे रही है, 100 रुपए, 200 रुपए, right? All these things, that's called unconditional love, and it actually heals you. Be around people who support your growth, not around people who support your downfall, or who supports being degenerative. अपने सर्कल में देखो यार, जिन लोगों से तुम हैंग आउट करते हो, आर दे actually where you want to become? Are they actually where you want to be? Or you're just hanging out just because you have been programmed or socially conditioned into believing that you need friends group, peers group, or you want to feel accepted in certain kind of group, just because तुम्हारे बचपन में तुम्हारे कोई दोस्त नहीं थे, just because जब तुम पहली बार एक नए स्कूल में गए तो nobody would accept you as friend. That's kind of trauma, and because of that you have this insecurity of abandonment or unacceptance. तुम्हें लगता है कि कोई तुम्हें accept नहीं करेगा just the way you are, and when you feel कि somebody is accepting you in some shape, way or form, you give total attention to them. You go above and beyond to be around them. वो ठीक नहीं है ना भाई. अपने हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटाइज करो, अपने मेंटल हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटाइज करो, अपने गोल्स एंड एम्बिशंस को प्रायोरिटाइज करो, अपने डिज़ायर्स, अपने पर्पस को प्रायोरिटाइज करो. But don't take yourself that much seriously, guys. Take off that mask. every single person has their own purpose, their own authenticity, their own uniqueness. We need to embrace ourselves. We need to unlearn almost all of the things that society has taught us and create our own belief system, create our own path. If we don't have the layout or map towards the goal that we want to reach. Okay, it's not easy. It's definitely not easy. It takes heart, it takes bravery, but it's all worth it. So embrace yourself, take that mask off, and realize how beautiful this life is. And along the way, you will find people who will truly accept you the way you are, who will not, who are not there to, who are not there around you to gain something from yourself, who are just around you, or who wants your company just because you are authentic, just because you guys vibrate in same frequency, just because you guys vibe, just because you guys accept yourself, accept each other as the way you guys truly are. And that's something beautiful. ठीक है, चलो, I'll see you in the next one.